Welcome back to the Python programming course. In this video, we are going to see how to install Python on Windows. First, go to python.org and click Downloads, and then select Download for Windows. Assuming we want the latest release, we can click on button link to download the installation package. Launch the installation and choose Install Now for a typical configuration. The installation will take a few minutes. Once the installation is finished, open Windows PowerShell prompt and type Python version command. As you can see, the version is older than the one we just installed because the environment variables still point to the older Python distribution. To update the default system Python, from Windows menu open Environment Variables Configuration and edit the path user variable. As shown here, add two path elements at the top, pointing to the folder where the new Python version was installed. Save environment variables, open new Windows PowerShell prompt, and type Python version command to verify the version is updated. Congratulations! You have now installed Python on Windows. If you found this video useful, please click the thumbs up and subscribe buttons to stay tuned and to be notified of new video tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.